Hi, this is Jim Palorino. It's a guy who I seem to like a bit, and his name is Walter E. Williams that I listen to from time to time. Kind of don't agree with everything he says, I suppose. That never occurs really, but he's a conservative. He's a yeah. I want to go back to saying Negro with a black guy equaling the devil, but okay, he's a black guy. Uh, Walter E. Williams, and he's conservative, small government person, uh, belief system that he has. And right now, I'm listening. Someone uploaded a video where he's talking, and he's talking about seatbelt laws. Um, it I started wondering I started thinking when I was listening to the video. It's been stated that when you're younger, a lot of times you you have more of a tendency towards socialism and government being the answer to problems, that kind of thing. And uh, as you mature and get older, you you demand less government. With regards to the seatbelt, this is very interesting. Um, Seatbelt laws started going into effect when I was in high school, and that is a law is government interference and force. How many of you have gotten seatbelt tickets? Right? Government interference and force, and because these politicians care so much about your health and your safety that they deemed it necessary for everyone to be forced to put on their seatbelt. Now, the small government libertarian would not want this to be a law. If people die in a car crash, it could have been prevented if they wore their seat belts, that's just you know it doesn't it's not a it's a terrible thing. Someone died and their life could have been saved had they worn a seat belt. Yay, but it is not something that the government should force and regulate and force upon the people, that the people must wear their seat belts and that kind of thing. There's an interesting bit of what appears to be a dichotomy. At first, um, I think also there's a tendency when you get older to play things more safe, and that would mean as you get older, there would be more of a natural tendency to play it safe and to put on your seatbelt as your own personal decision. So I'm going to wear my seatbelt just in case. I'm going to play it safe. More of a tendency for a person to do this as they get older. If the thing that I stated in the beginning was true, and I think I got that from Winston Churchill, um, another thing that would happen is this is my decision to wear the seatbelt. It's my own decision because I want to be safe. However, I don't think government should be involved in dictating that I must wear a seatbelt. So there's it's not really a dichotomy, but it might be seen as such when you first look at it. Insurance Who would benefit from this? Like insurance companies, seatbelt laws? They would be like probably the primary lobbyists, I think. I don't know, for seatbelt laws. Maybe I'm not true. Read about Robert Strange McNamara. He wanted the seatbelts in all the cars there. Chrysler, I believe, or maybe it's Ford. I think no, it was Ford, and just didn't sell. Okay, bye.